Buenos días, clase. Feliz año nuevo. ¿Okay? Buenos días, ¿cómo está? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien. Eso, otra vez. Buenos días, clase. ¿Cómo está? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien. Ok, hoy vamos a hablar de fecha, ¿ok? Fecha, sí, fecha. ¿Ok? ¿Está bien? Vamos a hablar de fecha, alright? Vamos a sacar una pausa, habla inglés. Muy bien. Alright, we're going to talk about fecha, date, okay? It's a little review for most of you. If you were here with me before in Hillside, okay? You must remember we talk about this since second grade. We've been talking about fecha. Right now, fecha is the date. Okay, fecha, that's how you say date in Espanol. And there's one thing very important. That's why I put that movie there for you to watch. The fecha in Espanol, you cannot start with the month. I know it's confusing because in English, we say January 6th. In Espanol, 6 de enero. You have to start with the day. You cannot use the month. If you do that, it's wrong, and Senor Souza is not going to teach you wrong in Spanish. That's why you have to do it right, okay? And one little trivia for you. Almost every country in the world that uses our alphabet, they start the date with the day, month, and year. So we're one of the few ones that starts the day with the month, okay? So when you're writing, okay, make sure that in English, you start with the month, day, and year, but not in Espanol, okay? In Espanol, you have to start with the day. So that's why I put this little review class here to remind you, because I saw a lot of dates in there where people were writing the month first. No, cannot do that in Espanol. No. Don't do it, because in Espanol you cannot do it, okay? Another very curious thing. Day before yesterday I asked you, ¿Cuándo es el cumpleaños de Dr. King? There was somebody there that told me that, I don't know Dr. King's cumpleaños. What kind of answer is that, right? Look, I expect you to explore and always try your best. This is not trying your best, okay? I like to see you trying your best because I have a lot of faith on you and I know you can do it, all right? So please, don't give me answers like that because I will not accept, all right? Now, I don't know. You have to learn, okay? So I'm going to tell you later, but right now, I'm feeding your brain. So curiosity is what makes you learn, okay? So if I put a question for you there, I know that you can find the answer. I will not put a question there that, oh, no way, they cannot find an answer. ¿Está bien? That's because I have faith on you and I know you're going to go after it. ¿Está bien? Muy bien. One quick thing about números, okay? Since we're using fecha a lot, right, date, we're going to count to 31 dos veces. And why 31? Because there's no months in a year that have more than 31 days, okay? And I just want to make sure that you feel comfortable with your cumpleaños. So if somebody asks you your cumpleaños, okay, you can say it by heart in Espanol, right? Because the cumpleaños, if you remember, you have to start with the day first, then you say the mes, then you say the año. I mean, the año only when you say your birth, okay? But you always start des, the day, and the month. Day and the month, okay? So what we're going to do, to refresh your memory a little bit, we're going to count starting from uno. No, we're not going to start with the cero because nobody was born in cero day, right? There's no cero day, okay? So we're going to start with uno. We're going to go all the way to 31. We're going to do dos veces, okay? When you hear the number for your birthday, I would like you to levanta la mano. Okay? Levanta la mano. ¿Está bien? So vamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, sí, I am from 9 de julio, that's why levanté la mano. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Muy bien, muy bien. ¿Levantó la mano? Did you raise your hands? Right? Let's do it again. One more time. Yes. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Muy bien, muy bien. That's it. Did you raise your hands? Muy bien, muy bien. Okay, now, one quick thing before you go. Okay? Before you go, quick reminder. Hoy, la fecha de hoy, ¿ok? ¿Cuál es la fecha de hoy? La fecha de hoy es 6 de enero de 2021. ¿Está bien? 6 de enero de 21. Right? Now, if you write this, look, enero 6, that's wrong. Because if you were a Spanish-speaking person and you see that, you don't know if you're talking about January of year 6. So that doesn't make sense in Espanol. All right? And if you write this, right? That's the date in English. If you write this, then in Espanol, that's 1 junio 21. See? So make sure that when you're writing the date, and I ask you the fecha, which I'm going to do it once in a while, or a cumpleaños, don't start with the month. ¿Está bien? ¿Ok? Entonces, hablamos. Adiós, clase. Hablamos. Adiós. Adiós.